All right, hi everyone. Happy Tuesday. Uh, hope your Monday went well. Got a little cooler out at the end. But anyway, let's get started. So today's assignment is called "What is decolonization? Why after World War II?" So first, no housekeeping stuff, but the academic integrity expectation for all assignments, unless stipulated otherwise by your teacher, your response must be in your own words, not cut and pasted, even when permitted to collaborate with others. Appropriate citations must be used for all information gathered from other sources. For this assignment, the specific expectation is as follows. You can use your notes, but not other people. This is an individual assignment. As such, plagiarism includes having the same work as another student. All right, so we're going to be looking at decolonization through a series of maps and also hearing from Mahatma Gandhi and Kwame Nkrumah of Ghana. And as always, if you have any questions, please email. All right, so in this first box, so again, introduction to decolonization. In this first box, this is colonialism and imperialism are synonyms. Colonization is the process of acting on the ideas of colonialism and imperialism. In the space below, recall anything you associate with the words colonialism, colonization, and imperialism. All right, don't worry about this part. I forgot to delete it from years past. And on to part here to define the word colonization in your own terms. All right. 3, given the definition of colonization, what do you think the decolonization is? Now, we've already read a little bit about it, so that should help give you some insight into it. All right, so here's where this assignment can get a little tricky. So we have questions 4 through 9 here, and note that like question 4 says based on maps A and B, and wasn't sure how else to do it. So what I did is I just put them below. So here's map A, here's map B. Look at those two maps, respond to the question, and then 5 is again doing maps A and B. So it's just really important that as you're reading the question, you make sure you keep track of which maps you need to look at. Experimented with shrinking them down to put them next to the question, but that just ended up being too small. All right, then, so that's the maps, and then we have a brief reading here dealing with these two gentlemen, going over some key terms, and we have our last two questions here, 10, which is what is decolonization? So defining now, taking in all the information from the maps and the reading, and also question 11 here, why did decolonization occur after World War? That is supposed to be 2. All right, so we're looking after 1945. All right, I hope all is well and take care.